Welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800 Tours, a midweight touring machine redesigned for comfort, power, and long-distance adventure. And, as always, guiding us with wisdom is our storytelling character heading, a new chapter in mid-weight. Touring the 2026 Tiger Sport 800 Tours brings a fresh identity to Triumph's touring lineup. With improved ergonomics, lightweight construction, and refined touring capability, this bike is built for riders who crave both comfort and excitement. Heading, engine and performance. Powering the Tiger Sport 800 Tours is an advanced 799cc triple-cylinder engine, expected to deliver around 95 to 100 horsepower with smooth mid-range torque. With ride-by-wire, multiple ride modes, and optimized traction control, the bike promises stable and confident performance on both highways and twisty roads. Heading, touring comfort and practical features. Triumph has focused heavily on rider comfort this year. The bike features a wider seat, an adjustable tall windscreen, improved suspension tuning, a luggage-ready rear frame, and heated grips for long journeys. The USB-C navigation setup ensures modern convenience on every ride. Heading, technology and rider safety. The 2026 model introduces a crisp 7-inch TFT display, BLUE TOOTH connectivity, cornering ABS, cruise control, and a blind spot detection system. Triumph's electronic suite has been tuned for accuracy and reliability, making the Tiger Sport 800 Tours a dependable partner on all terrains. Heading, design and road presence. With sharp LED headlamps, a muscular tank, and sporty side panels, the Tiger Sport 800 Tour stands out instantly. The 2026 touring graphics and dynamic color options give it a bold, adventure-ready look. Heading, final thoughts. The 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800 Tour is a well-rounded package for touring lovers, offering performance, comfort, technology, and a confident road presence. If you're planning long-distance travel or want a refined everyday ride, this bike demands attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Rider Fusion for more exciting moto content.